When I got this fire pit, I was not planning on doing any review on it. I paid for it with my own money. It was solving a problem for us. In the summer here in Oregon, we spend a lot of time using propane fires because of the fire bans. Not necessarily to stay warm, but just the ambiance of sitting around a fire. In the winter, we've been camping a little bit more, and it's nice to be able to have a fire you can kind of put wherever, especially in the snow. So I bought this. I love it. What I didn't expect was how much it would just change the feel of camp. Comes in this nice pouch, packs away inside of itself essentially. This mesh, screen mesh with some Velcro. And it's got these 4 sides to it. The nice thing here again is that, like in this case, the fire pit is over there. And so for me right now, I'd like to have a fire kind of, you know, just off my awning if I can. And so I can easily just have it right here. And, you know, that's the advantage to me. Hold the 2 sides. And then it goes there. So you put 2 sides on, then the mesh goes on. Bada bing, you're ready to start a fire. Nice thing is you have a little bit of airflow coming from underneath, but it's not, you know, like overly hot. Super easy to set up like you just saw. We'll get it fired up here in a little bit and see how it works. Okay, so check this out. Fire pit's pretty sweet. Notice that the wind is shifted. It's now blowing into my tent, but it's not hot to the touch down here. And I could move it if I wanted to. Just move it over here a little bit. So that is a pretty sweet part about that. When you are ready to put the fire out and pack this thing up, it is pretty simple. These are not hot, so you can kind of grab a couple of these, and if you've got a fire ring or something over here, dump it out. See, these are not hot. Just pull them off. This mesh comes off. Even the mesh is not that hot. I'm sure in the center it is. I'm not going to test that. But you just take that off. And then you're packing it up. And you use this to protect it. And again, I literally just tore this down, so I'm not faking how quickly I did that. I did it all less than 5 minutes. And in about 5 minutes, this thing is ready to be put in your rig and take off. For the way we camp, especially in the winter, it just makes a lot of sense. It has definitely earned a spot in the truck.